Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're delving into the world of sorting algorithms with a focus on bubble sort in Java. Bubble sort may be simple, but it's a fantastic starting point for understanding sorting concepts and programming. Bubble sort is a comparison-based sorting algorithm. It repeatedly steps through the list to be sorted, compares adjacent elements, and swaps them if they're in the wrong order. It repeatedly steps through the list to be sorted, compares adjacent elements, and swaps them if they're in the wrong order. The pass through the list is repeated until no swaps are needed, indicating that the list is sorted. Imagine we have an array of unsorted numbers: 5, 2, 9, 1, 5, 6. Bubble sort starts by comparing adjacent elements. Let's start with index 0. 5 greater than 2. Let's swap the values. Let's increase the index to 1. Now 5 is less than 9, so no swap required. Let's move on. Now 9 greater than 1, let's swap the values and increase the index. Again, 9 is greater than 5, let's swap the values and increase the index. Here 9 is greater than 6, let's swap the values and increase the index. Now we have reached the end of the array. Let's do the same for next iteration. In this iteration at index 0, no swap needed. Let's move on to index 1. Now 5 is greater than 1, let's swap the values. Further in this iteration, there is no swap possible. Let's move on to iteration 3. At this point 2 is greater than 1. Let's swap. There is no more swap possible and the array is now sorted. Even if we iterate until the length of the array, no more modification is going to happen on the sorted array. The largest element bubbles up to its correct position with each iteration. Now, let's translate this visualization into Java code. And there you have it, a practical example of bubble sort in Java with a visual representation. While bubble sort isn't the most efficient sorting algorithm for large datasets, it's a great starting point to grasp sorting concepts. Stay tuned for more programming tutorials, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our coding adventures.